Okay, September 28, year 2022. Okay, this time I'm going to, let's concentrate on the host A and host B. Okay, there. This is the host B. The K7 should light up, and the K8 is the host B. Okay, so there, K8, K7, K8. Okay, so look, host A and B are off, so they are off. Okay, let's activate the host A. See? Okay, host A, there. Both are activate, both sides. Now let's switch to host B. There, host B. Now let's set both on. Okay, I have set host A and B on. There, receiver 1, K7 on, K8 on. But look at the receiver 2. The K7 is off, and the K8 is there, is on the K8. See? It didn't match, so there's something wrong with this remote. Okay, let's move it farther so you can see it. Okay, let's now switch it again to make it off. Okay, it's already off, but both receiver 1 and receiver 2 has its K8 still on. There. So look, and I'll show you again. There, it's both A and B is off. Okay, let's turn on again for both. So let's set it A on. Okay, I will switch A on. On. So receiver 1, K7, it's on. But look at the receiver 2. Still off. There. And the K8 still on. Oh, okay, I'm going to switch it. So there's something wrong both. Okay, I'm going to switch it B side. There. B. There, you can see B is on. But look at the receiver 1. It's off. And the receiver 2, K7 is off, and K8 is on. There. Again. Maybe try to move it further. So going to switch it both on. There. So look, A and B are on. K7 is on. The K8 is off. And here, the receiver 2 K8 is off, and K8 is on. It do not match. Okay? So I'm going to switch it off. There. Here it's still on. This is a very dangerous. Okay, so I'll show you. A. Here is the receiver 2 is off. B. Still the receiver 2 is still off, and this is on. Okay. Both are on. It looks like the receiver 2 is not responding properly. There. Now the receiver are both the receiver this are off, and now so there's really something wrong with this remote. So I'll show you again. A, B, A and B off. There. A, B, A and B. Oh. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.